First time I tasted this chocolate cake, it was in a quiet cafe, not at home. Later, I learned it was eggless. It was behind the glass, not trying to impress anyone. I didn't even plan to order it. But somehow, those quiet things always call to me, the kind of cake that feels like it already knows you. When I finally tasted it, it didn't taste like chocolate. It tasted like safet. Some people can't eat eggs. Some people just don't like them. But comfort doesn't need an ingredient list. If you love calm baking moments, you're always welcome here at Sweet Backstories. Stay with us.